All right. And what is the name of your business and your name?
Alison's Gourmet Brittle, and I'm Alison.
Oh, wow. Now, how long have you been in business?
11 years now.
Wow. And what is it that you make?
I make 21 different flavors of brittle. We have sugar-frees, chocolates, spicy ones.
And what is people's favorite?
Usually the spicy salmon or the spicy bacon.
Spicy and spicy bacon.
Kids love the chocolate.
Samples. Right. And if anybody wants to order, how can they contact you?
They can contact me by my phone number, email. We are working on a website.
And what's your phone number?
209-408-6035.
Good. And they just call and say, I want one of those spicy ones.
Yes, yes. We take special orders as well.
The special orders? You do parties? And
We do parties, wedding.
All right. Thank you.
You.